Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects using OneDrive with Premiere and Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer projects using OneDrive with Premiere and Windows, begin by ensuring you have OneDrive installed and set up on your Windows device. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project you want to transfer. Click on File in the top menu. Select Project Settings, then choose General to check for media locations. Note where your project files and assets are saved. Next, close Adobe Premiere Pro to ensure no files are in use. Open File Explorer on your Windows device. Navigate to the project folder that contains your Premiere project files. Right-click on the project folder and select Copy. Now, find the OneDrive folder in your File Explorer. Open the OneDrive folder. Right-click in the OneDrive folder and select Paste to transfer your project folder. Once the transfer is complete, return to Adobe Premiere Pro. To access your project from a different device, install OneDrive on that device and sign in with the same account. Open File Explorer on the new device and navigate to your OneDrive folder. Locate your project folder and right-click to select Copy. Now, navigate to your local drive. Right-click and select Paste to transfer the project to your local drive. After the files are copied, open Adobe Premiere Pro on the new device. From the top menu, click File and then Open Project. Navigate to the location where you pasted your project files and select the Premiere project file. Click Open to load your project with all associated assets. Verify that all media files and assets are linked correctly before starting your editing. If any media files are missing, you can relink them by selecting File and then Link Media. Follow the prompts to locate the missing files in your project folder. Now, you are ready to continue editing your project seamlessly on your new device. This completes the process of transferring projects using OneDrive with Premiere and Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.